download Cipher chats, and enjoy private texting again. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to Cipher Chats, the app that elevates private texting to a whole new level. Stick with me and I'll show you how to download it and why it's the perfect app for secure messaging. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Cipher Chats and tap Search. Here, find the app with its unique logo. Tap the Get button. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your password if necessary. Once installed, tap Open to launch Cipher Chats. Create your account by tapping Sign Up link. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your secure account. Enter your phone number, name, and choose a username and password. You may also need to provide an email address for recovery. Head to your privacy settings and personalize them to make your texting experience even more secure. Finally, add your friends or contacts, and you're ready to start enjoying encrypted private messaging right away. So download Cipher Chats now and take back your texting privacy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.